First, let's set the initial score, which is the default value when the system starts. The score can be adjusted according to the customer's requirements. For example, in the current settings, a score below 50 will display a red light, a score between 50 and 60 will display a yellow light, and a score above 60 will display a green light. The mechanical number represents the proportion of pass or fail judgments, presented as a score out of 100. It indicates the ratio of times when the score is above or below 60 within 100 attempts. The user can set how many attempts to consider for each calculation. The mechanical state represents the score threshold. Next, click on the machine learning icon to enter the learning interface. There are 5 dynamic capture speeds available. For stamping industry, it is recommended to start with speed level 3 to establish the standards. However, adjustments can be made based on specific circumstances. Then, click on the Start button to initiate the learning process. Select the entire stamping timeline range by framing it. After completing the selection, click on Save. Provide a name for the standard, and once the saving process is completed, the system will ask whether to mark any non-comparable temporal actions. Click on Cancel, then OK to complete the standard creation process. Return to the dashboard interface. Click on the Start button to apply the created standard. After the standard is applied, the red-green light panel will begin assigning scores to the stamping amplitudes. If the amplitudes are similar to the standard, without any abnormalities or degradation, the normal state panel will display a green light. In addition, by clicking on the cursor icon below, it is possible to enhance specific areas of the standard for more precise scoring. Each standard can have up to 5 designated areas for enhanced evaluation. The standalone version allows the creation of up to 10 standards. These are the operational instructions for the pressing die status detection.